The Proverbs chapter 23 verses 1 to 35 and chapter 24 verses 1 to 34 1. When you sit to eat with a ruler, consider diligently what is before you, to put a knife to your throat if you are a man given to appetite. 3. Don't be desirous of his dainties, since they are deceitful food. For don't weary yourself to be rich. In your wisdom show restraint. 5. Why do you set your eyes on that which is not? For it certainly sprouts wings like an eagle and flies in the sky. 6. Don't eat the food of him who has a stingy eye, and don't crave his delicacies. 7. For as he thinks about the cost, so he is. Eat and drink. He says to you, but his heart is not with you. 8. You will vomit up the morsel which you have eaten and waste your pleasant words. 9. Don't speak in the ears of a fool, for he will despise the wisdom of your words. 10. Don't move the ancient boundary stone. Don't encroach on the fields of the fatherless. 11. For their defender is strong. He will plead their case against you. 12. Apply your heart to instruction, and your ears to the words of knowledge. 13. Don't withhold correction from a child. If you punish him with the rod, he will not die. 14. Punish him with the rod, and save his soul from Sheol. 15. My son, if your heart is wise, then my heart will be glad, even mine. 16. Yes, my heart will rejoice when your lips speak what is right. 17. Don't let your heart envy sinners, but rather fear the Lord all day long. 18. Indeed, surely there is a future. Hope, and your hope will not be cut off. 19. Listen, my son, and be wise, and keep your heart on the right path. 20. Don't be among ones drinking too much wine, or those who gorge themselves on meat. 21. For the drunkard and the glutton shall become poor, and drowsiness clothes them in rags. 22. Listen to your father who gave you life, and don't despise your mother when she is old. 23. Buy the truth, and don't sell it. Get wisdom, discipline, and understanding. 24. The father of the righteous has great joy. Whoever fathers a wise child delights in him. 25. Let your father and your mother be glad. Let her who bore you rejoice. 26. My son, give me your heart, and let your eyes keep in my ways. 27. For a prostitute is a deep pit, and a wayward wife is a narrow well. 28. Yes, she lies in wait like a robber, and increases the unfaithful among men. 29. Who has woe? Who has sorrow? Who has strife? Who has complaints? Who has needless bruises? Who has bloodshot eyes? 30. Those who stay long at the wine. Those who go to seek out mixed wine. 31. Don't look at the wine when it is red, when it sparkles in the cup, when it goes down smoothly. 32. In the end, it bites like a snake and poisons like a viper. 33. Your eyes will see strange things, and your mind will imagine confusing things. 34. Yes, you will be as he who lies down in the middle of the sea, or as he who lies on top of the rigging. 35. They hit me, and I was not hurt. They beat me, and I don't feel it. When will I wake up? I can do it again. I will look for more. The Proverbs chapter 24 verses 1 to 34. 1. Don't be envious of evil men, neither desire to be with them. 2. For their hearts plot violence, and their lips talk about mischief. 3. Through wisdom a house is built. By understanding it is established. 4. By knowledge the rooms are filled with all rare and beautiful treasure. 5. A wise man has great power. A knowledgeable man increases strength. 6. 4. By wise guidance you wage your war, and victory is in many advisers. 7. Wisdom is too high for a fool. He doesn't open his mouth in the gate. 8. One who plots to do evil will be called a schemer. 9. The schemes of folly are sin. The mocker is detested by men. 10. If you falter in the time of trouble, your strength is small. 11. Rescue those who are being led away to death. Indeed, hold back those who are staggering to the slaughter. 12. If you say, behold, we didn't know this, doesn't he who weighs the hearts consider it? He who keeps your soul, doesn't he know it? Shall he not give to every man according to his work? 13. My son, eat honey, for it is good, the droppings of the honeycomb, which are sweet to your taste. 14. So you shall know wisdom to be to your soul. If you have found it, then there will be a reward. Your hope will not be cut off. 15. Don't lay in wait, wicked man, against the habitation of the righteous. Don't destroy his resting place. 16. For a righteous man falls 7 times and rises up again, but the wicked are overthrown by calamity. 17. Don't rejoice when your enemy falls. Don't let your heart be glad when he is overthrown. 18. Lest the Lord see it, and it displease him, and he turn away his wrath from him. 19. Don't fret yourself because of evildoers, neither be envious of the wicked. 24. There will be no reward to the evil man. The lamp of the wicked will be snuffed out. 21 My son, fear the Lord and the king. Don't join those who are rebellious. 22 For their calamity will rise suddenly. Who knows what destruction may come from them both? 23 These also are sayings of the wise. To show partiality in judgment is not good. 24 He who says to the wicked, You are righteous, peoples will curse him, and nations will abhor him. 25 But it will go well with those who convict the guilty, and a rich blessing will come on them. 26 An honest answer is like a kiss on the lips. 27 Prepare your work outside and get your fields ready. Afterwards build your house. 28 Don't be a witness against your neighbor without cause. Don't deceive with your lips. 29 Don't say, I will do to him as he has done to me. I will repay the man according to his work. 30 I went by the field of the sluggard, by the vineyard of the man void of understanding. 31 Behold, it was all grown over with thorns, its surface was covered with nettles, and its stone wall was broken down. 32 Then I saw and considered well, I saw and received instruction. 33 A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to sleep. 34 So your poverty will come as a robber and your want as an armed man. The Proverbs chapter 23 verses 1 to 35 and chapter 24 verses 1 to 34. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.